Today we are going to solve this equation x plus 7y is equal to 10 and 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. First we are going to name this equation. The first equation will be our first equation and second equation is second equation. Okay. So here nothing is common. So if we want to eliminate first equation or any one variable, we have to get one thing common. So here we are going to multiply this first equation by 3. So we will get 3 here. Three into x plus 3 into 7y is equal to 3 into 10. So we will get 3x plus 3 7 are 21y is equal to 3 10. This will be our third equation. So we are going to subtract second equation from 3. So here 3x plus 21y is equal to 30 minus 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. So this minus will become plus because we are subtracting here, and here also become minus. So 3x will be cancelled. 21 and 2 will be 23y is equal to 30 minus 7 is equal to 23. So here we are going to divide both sides by 23. 23y upon 23 is equal to 23 upon 23. Here 23 will be cancelled. Here 23 will be cancelled. Y will be 1. So here we get the value of one variable. So now we are going to put this value in first equation. Place y is equal to 1 in equation 1. So what is our first equation? Our first equation is x plus 7y is equal to 10. Here y's value is 1. So x plus 7 into 1 is equal to 10. Hence x plus 7 is equal to 10 because 7 1 is 7. So now we have to subtract both sides by 7 to eliminate this 7. X plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 10 minus 7. So x will be x is equal to 10 minus 7 is 3. So the solution of equation is x comma 3 is equal to x comma y is equal to 3 comma 1.